Hi, welcome to Jerry's Fruit Juice Company. So this unit here, if you look up in here, this is the Good Nature Juicer. 24,000 US new, I think. Product in here. Like that. Push it in like that. Then what you do is you need to press it next. So this is your hydraulic press. You can use these, or you can use these. So they're hanging bags that hang inside the press here. By this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it juices it and goes into there. Very nice unit. Also, you get all these juice bags, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these plates. There's even different sizes. You got that. And you have your manual too. Look at that. All in one great lot.